To do that, you open InDesign and go File, New Document. If you go with the defaults, you'll be fine, because the defaults should be letter, the orientation tall, and you'll have 3 picas as your margin. The first thing you do when you get a new document is to change your rulers to inches. As soon as your rulers are changed to inches, you put one at 4 1/4 and 5 1/2. That sets your center. When you've established center, you move your ruler to center. This is all a review from last term, that's why I'm going fast. Once you've got center, you put another line at 1 3/4 off of center, or 2 inches minus 1/4, and 1 3/4 off the other center. Then you go down or up from center to 3 inches, and down from center 3 inches. So your document is now 3 1/2 by 6 inches. You again move your ruler to the upper left-hand corner of the document. From that position, you're going to divide the 6 inches into 2 inches, which will enable you to see that we have 3 business cards, 2 up. So you have one at 2 inches and one at 4 inches, and the 6 inches is off the page. Now we haven't established any margins yet, and you're not going to establish margins until after you make your rough layout, which we'll do at the end of this demo. You need to make a 1/8 inch margin on the outside of the 3 1/2 by 6. This is how far away your cut marks are going to be placed. At 100%, 1 tick mark is 1/8. Mine was off a 32nd of an inch, and when I got to the third one, it was 3/32 or almost of an 1/8 of an inch, which was a problem. Take your line tool and draw a 1/4 inch line vertical, and hold down the shift key so it's perfectly straight, and do one horizontal. Then we're going to duplicate these lines by holding down our Option key. So you need to put them so they point at the edge of the paper. At this point, you need to go under View, Grids and Guides, and lock your guides, but turn off Snap Guides. So View, Grids and Guides, lock guides, but you don't want Snap Guides on. So now when I duplicate these and I want to move them slightly, I don't have to worry about accidentally grabbing the guide. Remember, these guides have to be exactly 1/8 away from the edge of the paper stock and 1/4 of an inch long. As soon as I finish the demo, you'll have about 2 minutes to do this. So all I'm doing is putting the rest of the cut marks in and lining them up, and you'll see those green lines are smart guides. You want your smart guides turned up because they tell you when you've got them exactly lined up. And I've got 3 more to do, and you can go do your own as soon as you think you're ready.